Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Today's topic is applications of derivative, and in this particular question we are going to discuss about finding out the maximum or minimum value of a function. So your question is, show that the semi-vertical angle of the cone of maximum volume and given slant height is tan inverse of root 2. So first of all, let us consider a cone whose semi-vertical angle is, say, alpha. Let alpha be the semi-vertical angle. So we are supposed to show that the semi-vertical angle is equals to tan inverse of root 2 when your volume is maximum. Volume is maximum. So our purpose is to maximize our volume function. Now you are also given the slant height. Let L be the slant height of the cone. तो ये भी आपको given है. So this is again a constant. Now we can easily find out in triangle AOAB. Since height of the cone, we are considering a right circular cone. So the height is perpendicular to the radius of the base. So this is 90 degree. So OAB is a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle, if we know an acute angle and a side, we can easily find out the other two sides. So AB will come out by using trigonometry. AB will come out, AB upon OB will be equals to sin alpha. So AB will be L sin alpha, and OA is base, so OA is equals to L cos alpha. तो आपके पास radius of cone and height of cone is there in terms of L and alpha. Now we are supposed to maximize our volume function. So consider volume of the cone, and that is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So AB square into h is OA, and that will be equals to 1 by 3 pi AB square is L sin alpha square, and OA is L cos alpha, and that will be equals to pi by 3 L cube sin square alpha into cos alpha. Now to maximize this function, we are going to first find out the first derivative in term and then finding out the critical points. So differentiate it once. So dv by d alpha will be pi by 3 and L cube. They are the coefficient. Now apply product rule in these two functions. Then it will be sin square alpha as it is cos alpha का derivative minus sin alpha plus cos alpha as it is sin square alpha का derivative 2 sin alpha, and sin alpha का derivative is cos alpha. So this will be equals to pi by 3 L cube. This is minus sin cube alpha, and this is 2 sin alpha into cos square alpha. Now for critical points, we are going to substitute dv by d alpha is equals to 0. और जब आप इस फंक्शन को 0 से इक्वेट करते हैं, then your constant cannot be 0. So this function is equals to 0, and that will implies that sin alpha common 2 cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is equals to 0. But sine alpha cannot be equals to 0, because if sine alpha is equals to 0, then alpha will be equals to 0, and that is not possible. That will not be, तो कौन ही आपका फॉर्म नहीं होगा. That must implies that 2 cos square alpha minus sine square alpha is equals to 0, and this will imply that 2 cos square alpha is equals to sine square alpha, or we can say that tan square alpha is equals to 2, or we can say that alpha is equals to tan inverse of root 2. So this is our critical point. But now we will confirm that at this critical point our volume function is maximum. So let us take the second derivative of the volume function. So the second derivative will be equals to, this will be as it is, pi by 3 L cube, and the second derivative is this is minus 3 sine square alpha into sine alpha का cos alpha plus 2 sine alpha as it is, 2 sine alpha as it is, cos square alpha का derivative 2 cos alpha into minus sine alpha, and cos square alpha as it is, then 2 cos alpha. तो ये आपका सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव हो गया पाई बाय 3 एल क्यूब. दिस विल बी 4 साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा कॉस अल्फा, सो 2 cos क्यूब अल्फा माइनस 7 साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा कॉस अल्फा. ये हो जाएगा आपका सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव. बट सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव एट दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट, सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव at the point where tan inverse of alpha is equals to root 2. तो जब tan alpha is root 2 है, तो आप एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल अगर कंसीडर करते हैं, तो अगर tan alpha root 2 है, then it will be the hypotenuse will be root 3, and your sin alpha will become root of 2 by 3, and cos alpha will become 1 by root 3. ओके, तो इस पर्टिकुलर क्रिटिकल पॉइंट पर आपका सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा? योर सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव विल बी इक्वल्स टू 2 cos क्यूब अल्फा इज 1/3 root 3 minus 7 sin square is 2 by 3 and cos is 1 by root 3, and this is 2 minus 14 by 3 root 3 is a negative quantity. This will be equals to pi by 3 L cube, and 2 minus 14 is minus 12 by 3 root 3, which is a negative quantity. तो अगर आपका सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव एट अ पर्टिकुलर क्रिटिकल पॉइंट इज नेगेटिव, दैट मस्ट इंप्लाइज दैट योर वॉल्यूम इज मैक्सिमम व्हेन tan inverse of alpha, when alpha is equals to tan inverse of root 2.